Hi everyone, this is Savesh from Automation Play. I'm making this video to announce few exciting things. First of all, happy new year to you all. So I wish you a lot of prayers and wish you all the best for this new year, right? So announcements are that I am offering tons of courses on really good discounts, not free courses. I believe free is something that has less value, right? So because I have put tons of content, tons of videos, lessons, and my effort, so still courses are up to I believe we are offering up to 70% discounts. So let's see what these courses are. One important thing is that uh, my teaching style is unique. I try to put lots of depth and in my lessons, and I try to make courses in such a way that it covers both hardware and software parts. So, though some students might have hardware, some might have not, so they are comfortable in learning through softwares. And also I make courses in which I make sure that those softwares are free for some limited time or have some restrictions, but at least they work, or they are available in that sense so students can practice. So what we are offering right now is let me just switch this back. Okay, so there are tons of courses over here. I have Siemens courses both in Urdu, Hindi, and English as well. So, since now most of my students are learning or comfortable in English, this is the reason why I'm speaking to you guys in English as well. Although I have both sessions available on YouTube channels in Urdu, Hindi, or English as well, and courses there are. Therefore, I have made courses in native languages as well as English. Then I have PLC and HMI beginner course in which more than 350 students are enrolled so far. I made Siemens courses in level wise. So these are level 1 courses on TI Portal SM 1200. This is level 2 course over here in which I'm covering Profinet communication, OPC, OPC UA, PC based HMI, IO link, and some advanced features in that. Then I have Siemens Legacy as well. Many industries are still using SM 300. So I have made Semantic Manager, sorry, WinCC flexible course in that. So do check that out. Then I have Siemens SCADA course over here that is ongoing right now. So students are, I believe, 12, 13 students are enrolled in that as well. Then I have other SCADA course as well for beginners, those who wish to start from scratch. Then I have IoT course ongoing. Then I have Alan Bradley RS Logics 500 course ongoing. So these are all the courses. Sorry, my throat is hurting right now. Okay, so yeah, this is the discount on PLC beginner course. It's in $9.99 in for Siemens SM 1200 and HMI and with TI Portal. These are in-depth courses, so you would learn a lot from that. Then in on English course on TI Portal, I have similar discount on SM 300. So these four courses are on discount. Beginner course, I believe I already had that on discount for some time now. Then my this LMS, my automation play, e-learning LMS accepts payments in through PayPal as well, or through bank account, or people in Pakistan can pay through Easy Pesa as well. Otherwise, foreigners can, people from USA or North America, Europe can pay through PayPal. Or if you don't have that options as well, you can just join these courses on Udemy as well. I will put all the links in description. You can see these four courses are on discount on Udemy as well. But my all courses, in-depth courses, are available over here on my own LMS. Also, right now, I'm teaching some professionals with my mentorship program. So in that, I take some sessions on Zoom as well. I make sure that students learn all these steps that are covered in the course. These courses are self-paced, right? But I do provide personalized support for students who especially request. Then I have a complete roadmap that is coming up, which includes automation, complete automation pyramid that includes PLCs, sensors, HMI, SCADA, MES, right? And some introduction to ERP as well related to automation. And then I have a complete roadmap for industrial IoT that is in the making right now. So I believe in a couple of weeks that would be launched as well. So those who enroll in my coaching or mentorship program, I will take them step by step to this industrial automation that is existing skill set to industry 4.0 or industrial IoT relevant to smart factories. So I'll make sure the people enrolled in my program go through step by step trainings in each part. Yep, that's all from my side. One important thing is that I often discuss with my students. Let me switch back. Yeah. So that would be that make sure to have a right approach to learn. What most of these students does is they purchase lots of books, manuals, they do lots of trainings online, physical as well. At end of the day, they are still at that step, at that level, right? So I believe in automation, they are up to 4 or 5 levels of learning. Level one, you learn about basics programming or wiring relays, right? Level two, you learn advanced hardware type stuff. Level three, you learn SCADA communication OPC. Level four comes to cloud part or IoT part. So as you take each step, as you keep passing each level, your knowledge and practicals skills should increase along as well. Now, most of the students do courses and they don't do projects or hands-on implementation of that. So it's make sure when you do any course, do some project afterwards as a freelancer or do some internship if you are not already on the job. So that would bring much confidence and to yourself. You would feel more confident about your skills, right? So that's the first approach. Second is too many students enroll in the course and just they watch a few lessons, they take few lessons, they ask me some things, and that takes they take a lot of time, right? They would watch few lessons in a month, and then they would like sleep or go in their caves, and they come back after a few months and they ask, okay, how did we simulate that program, or how did we make that logic, right? So it first 20 hours are your most important. Why? Because I don't know the author name. He's quite a popular author that said that 20 hours, if spent well on learning a skill, would benefit much more than spending hundreds of hours, right? So 20 hours are important. Then comes a Pareto rule, 80-20 principle, that 20% of the important things that you should learn would contribute 80% to that skill set or something like that. So focus on that 20% instead of going to learn everything, read everything, right? There are, I believe, hundreds or thousands of courses right now. So you would see Python courses as well. They are, I mean, millions of courses right now. Now, how I teach Python or why students opt to get taught from me is the reason because I make things simple. If something is covered in 100 hours, I make sure it gets covered enough of that in 15 to 20 hours because your learning starts like that. It goes like that. There's exponential learning. Then your path becomes like that. Your graph becomes like that. So initial 20 hours, 40 hours are really important to learn the whole concept, the holistic view, and then you go in depth, depending upon your interest, depending upon the path you are taking. I hope that makes sense to you. So this is the whole program. Lots of tutorials are available on YouTube channel as well, on Rana Muhammad Awais YouTube page. My second channel for English tutorials would be up soon by the name of Automation Play. So one more thing, many people try to learn from YouTube. I know many of my students went through my YouTube videos and automated machineries or plants, but they still opted to take a course from me, because at end of the day it's not about uh, passing a course. It's about gaining knowledge from the person that has made that. So it's about gaining knowledge from my experience. I'm happy to share that. But again, what I told you earlier, that if something is of value, it has some worth. So if it is $9.99, it means nothing to me. But it shows, it only attracts those students who are who desire to learn or get into the field. End of the day, it's charging that less amount. The reason behind that is this. Otherwise, I am charging heavily as well, like $150, $200, $500. That depend upon the industry I'm training, or if they are professional automation engineers or system integrators that I'm training uh, at that. So, yep, that's I believe everything that I had to say. So again, I wish you all the best for this new year. Uh, Learn a lot, teach a lot, help others, and just make sure to stay happy and smile. Thank you.